It's red. Uh-oh, not feeding. Hey, one more. Take my spot. Dan, my bag's not working. Take my spot. Right here. Stand right there, and then you have a good shot. So you back up, you stand right there, and you got it. I'm coming, hold on, my mag's not feeding.
Oh my god, my fuse again, what? Hey, dude! God damn it, Sam.
I got your spot, I'm gonna, hurry up, you're out now. Coming to you, one! Coming to you! Hey, you wanna give me cover fire? You pop out and then you shoot, ready? 3, 2, ready? Wait, let me check. No, you're good. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I do on backside. You have 2. Yeah. I'll go low.
Yeah.
I got him. There's one on me. He's right here on the house. Yeah, just shoot left. I'm going above you.
Hurry up!
Good. There's nothing. Keep out in that corner, okay? What do you want to do? Okay. But you don't have the camera.
Is it on?
Yeah. Avery, back left window. And there's 2 on the back, 1 in the house, 1 in the back. Hey, Juan, this guy's sticking out. I want to pop him. JJ! Gosh, out.
Let him out!
Okay. Only one guy there. Can I just move up around the container? Got on video.